Hello, welcome to the Drop 6. So it's been like 3 days I've come back to my hometown, that's in Ahmedabad. So I was earlier in Pune, but due to all this like COVID and the cases, I came back to hometown. So but without recording those video, it's still very hot, like pasina shoot raha hai, and the Ahmedabad is really hot right now. So like 2 days went into traveling and then 2 days went into settling down. So last week I won't be able to grade myself, like 4 तक तो पहुंचा ही नहीं था, 3.7 भी grade नहीं हो पाएगा. So I think I'll grade somewhere around 3 to 3.25. Let's keep it 3, like 3 सही है. So इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. I was not able to properly balance. So but moving on, I think it will go great. I think तो वो सही हो जाएगा. So and moving on to our startup update, then I think we are going good as I described in the last video itself. Like we had few issues, तो वहाँ पे timeline का problem हो गया था. So we had decided like in the next 10 days we'll like ramp up that timeline and उसका थोड़ा आगे का भी कर लेंगे. So it's been like 6 days or so, तो वो वहाँ पे बहुत हम लोग ने ज़्यादा खींच लिया है काम. तो वो बहुत सही चल रहा है इन द सेंस लाइक वी स्टिल हैव लाइक 3 to 4 days टू रियली पिक इट अप. सो वो तो कर ही लेंगे हम लोग. सो आई थिंक उस साइड पे क्लाइंट साइड पूरा एक सही बैलेंस चल रहा है. एंड एज वी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड लाइक वी विल बी क्लोजिंग डाउन ऑल आवर क्लाइंट्स स्टेडीली. तो अप्रैल स्टार्ट हो गया. सो आई थिंक वी हैव रियली क्लोज डाउन. तो अभी वो माइनर रहता है जो भी लाइक कंप्लीट करने के लिए. सो लाइक फ्यू थिंग्स हियर एंड देयर प्लस माइनस थिंग्स. सो वी ऑलरेडी क्लोज डाउन प्रेटी मच ऑल ऑफ आवर वर्क राइट नाउ. So it's going on good. Currently team is very pumped up and to be frank we are really bonding great as a team. We are working on designs, we are working on product as well. Few things which were not pretty clear for us 1 month back, but we are right now on try, like we understand it pretty better right now. So I think वो updates April mid तक आना चालू हो जाएंगे. And also like one thing I realized in this week is like what I and we all feel is like a product थोड़ा सा delay हुआ है. What we like, I personally feel like we could have launched it much earlier as well. But in this last week I realized that even if the product would have launched earlier, I think we wouldn't have been much like matured enough to really pull it off to the next level. So I feel like right now we are like इतना तो knowledge है कि यार उसको आगे का खींच लेंगे. So I think we are right now as a team we are balanced and as a individual person we are matured enough in our own domain that we can really like take that product to the next level. So I think it's good, like जो होता है वो सही टाइम पे होता है. So we are going good on that track as well. We are अभी copywriter add करने वाले थे but we haven't really found someone, so we are just on the lookout. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted with that as well. So this is our startup update and moving on to the experiment and idea part. So I'd like to give a recap of one of my first experiment that was like on the growth hacking threads. So today it's like 85th day, so only 15 days remaining. So I feel like I am very confident that I'll be really achieving that 100 days of growth. So एक बार 100 हो जाएगा then I have a next milestone as well. So let's see how it goes as well. तो वो सही चल रहा है. You can keep that track on Twitter. You can check on my Twitter. वहाँ पे I daily post that growth hacking threads. So moving on to this particular week's like idea or an experiment. So I don't always like define the video how it will go or what type of experiment or idea or a challenge that I will be taking on. But this particular challenge I wanted to take since like a very long time. It's like reading books. Like I am very bad at reading books. I am good at reading content but definitely bad at reading books. Like a much larger chunk of my per day goes into reading and consuming content, in the sense like I read Twitter, I read email, newsletters, like Reddit and all sort of stuff. Like a lot of my time goes into reading and consuming and like making sure I'm aware of everything right now. So वहाँ पे मेरा टाइम अच्छे से ज़्यादा है and I am like pretty used to with that stuff, like 3 to 4 hours per day, like at least उतना तो वहाँ चला जाता है. But reading book is something that I'm trying to get a habit of it. So my first book started with like The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking. So वो book ख़त्म करने में मुझे I think around 1-1.5 साल लग गया. Like slowly कभी 10 पेज पढ़े, कभी 20 पेज पढ़े, कभी 6 महीने का गैप हो गया, कभी फिर से 50 पेज चढ़े. तो इट्स लाइक 1.5 year. देन माई सेकेंड बुक वॉज आई थिंक मोस्टली रिच डैड पुअर डैड. सो वो ख़त्म की मैंने आई थिंक 6 months और 7 months में, सेम लाइक इनकन्सिस्टेंटली थोड़ा करके कुछ तो भी आई ट्राई टू फिनिश दैट बुक. एंड माई थर्ड बुक वॉज 0 to 1 बाय पीटर थिल. तो वो मैंने बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म किया. लाइक इट वॉज लाइक रियली विद इन अ मंथ और सो. लाइक वो वैसे स्टार्ट मैंने बहुत जल्दी की थी बट आई ड्रॉप दैट बुक एंड शिफ्टेड टू अनदर बुक. But when I picked it up again, I completed within a span of like not even 1 month. I think 1 week or 10 days or so. So I think I now know, I got a hang of it, like how to really read a book. Like वो patience और वो जो focus रहता है ना, even if you read for 1 hour, you can like really complete a lot of pages right now. So this week's challenge was like I just read today like Rinkesh tweeted a great tweet like Achubei. So he mentioned that how he keeps up to date with reading books. So he mentioned that he has a monthly budget for books, like he has around 1500 rupees a budget which has been set for his like buying books and which he reads per month. So I think 1500 मेरे लिए ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, in the sense उतनी सारी बुक पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगा. So I'll start with I think at max to max 500. So whatever books I'll be buying it out, it won't be more than 500. I think एक book तो आ ही जाएगी उसके अंदर. So per month I'll be keeping aside 500 rupees for books that I'll buy, and then I'll try to read it out. So I read in the field of like physics and very deep space thing. I read in the finance also. I have read in startup as well. So this coming book I want to read in much more, I think, human and whole philosophy or history kind of thing. So I have ordered Sapiens, a brief history of mankind. So वो book पढ़ूंगा मैं. So वो तो देखते like how it goes. I'll keep you posted with that. So this week's particular challenge is about reading books. Like I'll try to like एक month की एक book तो खत्म करूँ. So like because I completed 3 books, so I found like the real knowledge lies in books. Definitely podcast and blogs and everything are really cool, and you can get a lot of like knowledge and resources from there. But books is something which is very, where your mind gets very curious and you try to visualize it. So I'll try to work on that as well, and I think it's going great. I think more updates are also coming in the next week as well. And regarding the future shorts episode, today I was supposed to record the second episode of future shorts, but due to like the panel का वो timing match नहीं हो रहा है, so I think most probably I'll be recording that second episode in the coming week onward. I'll keep you posted with that as well. So and that is it. I think this is all whole today's drop, I think, regarding like keeping like reading books. So I think till then you guys stay safe and keep hustling, and YOLO. See you guys in the next one.